our presentation on Introduction to Multimedia Tools. In today's digital world, understanding how to combine and manipulate text, image, audio, video, and animation is essential. This session will explore the core software and resulting outputs across the key domains of design, audio, video, and animation. Our goal is to equip you with a foundational understanding of the tools that power modern interactive content.
Introduction to multimedia tool. Multimedia tool are software and hardware application used to create, edit, film, compile multimedia content. These tools allow users to combine different multimedia elements like text, image, audio, video, and animation intro. A single interaction experiment multimedia, the combination of various content, formats to and text, audio, image, animation, video, and interactive content. Tools in the Subkiwi software program multi-set for the content and inhabitation of the multimedia elements. Design in multimedia focuses on the visual expression and the user experimentation of the content. I involve creating, studying, graphic, illustration, and defining the forever log and file. Software tool, the tool is training for creating and editing image and vector. Graphics, Adobe Photoshop, very familiar and for starting image editing, Photoshop digital painting. ColorDraw, popular tool for vector illustration and fiber layout. Adobe Illustrator, user for creating and editing scalable vector graphic logis illustration.
With the visual aspects of design covered, let's now transition to the auditory element, audio. Audio tools are used to record, mix, and edit sound for various multimedia projects. This element adds depth, emotion, and clarity to the content. Now that we understand the role of audio in multimedia, let's explore the key software tools that makes recording, mixing, and editing sound possible. The first one is Adobe Audition, the professional audio editing software for mixing and mastering, and two, Audacity, a free open source digital audio editor and recording. And the last one is FL Studio, a complete software music production environment DAW. That concludes our segment on audio software. Now we shift our focus to video, one of the most dynamic multimedia elements. Video tools are used for capturing, editing, and producing motion footage. Video is one of the most dynamic and engaging multimedia elements. Moving on the motion footage, the power of video requires specialist tools. Here are the key software tools essential for professional video editing and post-production. The first one is After Effects, primarily used for motion graphic and visual effects, or VFX. 2. Premiere Pro, the professional non-linear video editing software. And the last one is Corel Video Studio, consumer level video editing software. We've reviewed the tools for dynamic video production. Next, let's look at animation, the art of creating motion through sequential image. Animation tools are used to create the illusion of motion through the rapid display of a sequence of static image or 3D models. Finally, let's look at the animation, the art of bringing static elements to life. The following key software tools are leaders in creating both 2D and 3D animation content. The first one is Blender, a free and open source 3D computer graphics software tools. 2 is 3ds Max, 3D computer graphic program for 3D modeling, animation, and rendering. The last one is Autodesk Maya, a 3D computer animation, modeling, simulation, and rendering software widely used in film and game industries.
I'll put this an example. Number 1, advertising. Creating visual for promotion and marketing campaigns. Number 2, logo. Logo is a symbol or design used to identify a company or organization. Number 3, UI/UX, user interface or user experience, is designing the interactive part of software, website, or application. And number 2 or B, audio output example. Number 1 is voice-over, is a production technique where a voice is recorded for off-screen narration. Number 2, background. Background is music or ambient sound played softly to accompany visual content. Number 3, sound effect. Sound effect is artificially created or enhanced sounds used to emphasize artistics or others. Video output example. And number 1 is a movie. Movie is a recording of moving image, typically telling story. Number 2, news. News is video report presenting current event. Number 3, education is instructional videos or tutorial. Types of animation. Number 1, 2-dimension animation is flat animation created using vector of bitmap graphic. Number 2, 3D animation. Animation is created in a 3-dimensional space using computer models. Number 3, motion graphic is animated graphic design used to communicate information visually, often includes text and shapes. That's all from us. Thank you for time and attention. See you next time. Bye bye.